Welcome to Country Boy Tested. We finally got a product in that I am going to be leaving a code for. So this can help you out if you're having trouble loading your trailer. If you're tired of the old trailers, I have one of these, everybody. I got one of these old ones. If you ever dealt with one of these, you know what it's like. I'm gonna bring you over here in first person so you can see with me. Why? Okay, see that right there. Now you can move that and put it down, but as you see, when you got it on here, you don't really feel safe. Now I got a strap that goes around here too, but look at this. Look at this. It does this. Can you see the whole bike? That's how your bike looks in the rearview mirror when you're driving. It's shaky, it's wobbly, even with the little thing that tightens it up. Well, we got a new product in. We're going to be showing you how to solve this problem. Young electric bike trailer, everyone. Young electric. And unload by yourself this kind of trailer, let me show you. It is not. Okay. One, I got to get that out of the way. Then you have no choice but to lift it. Okay. You watching first person. So if you got one, you know you do this too. Put your brake on. Okay. But the problem is you gotta lift it. Well, I'm gonna show you a better trailer. Way better trailer. Young electric. Well, ladies and gents, here is the answer. Young electric. The fun has just begun. This is the Easy Fold 1 bike rack with the round. This is going to make life so much easier, everyone. These are lightweight. They hold 100 pounds, up to 100 pounds, so you can leave your e-bike battery on it when you're just going to the park and doing like a trip, a quick trip. It makes it easier. The ramp stores right here on the back. You got a clip that holds the ramp in place on here, so you always have your ramp with you. And instead of that little flimsy bar we had before, we have a solid bar that comes up and clamps right on to the seat post neck and keeps it tight and snug and secure. Ladies, this is what you're gonna like right here. Men too, because my back be killing me. Take this part, pop it out. Got a little hold on there, see that? So you don't lose it. You pop this out. See, you might have a mud puddle or something. Guess what? You just sit it right there, and voila, it's clean, clear. You just ride your bike up and over. Make sure you keep your straps out of the way until you get your bike loaded. But yeah, it's way easier to deal with this, everybody. This is a great trailer if you're having to do it by yourself, move your bike by yourself. This makes it a lot easier to deal with. It's way more secure. You tighten this bolt all the way up right here, and it keeps it from rattling, shaking, and moving. Right now, I'm getting ready to put it out here on the road and show you what it does with a bike on it. All right, come on with me. Okay, right here, we just gonna put on this bolt. This part right here saves you the trouble of having to worry about somebody coming up and just taking your trailer from you. Once you get it put back in, you take this pin, stick it back in there, lock it in. It's not gonna come out because it's snug and it's tight and it's secure. And I know that this is not coming out, and I know nobody can just pick my trailer up, walk off, got my trailer, and gone. So that kind of, makes it a lot easier. It puts your mind at ease, everyone, when you know that your trailer's gonna be there when you come back. These pins make it so easy to put multiple different types of bikes on. I mean, the rails on there, so you can put your fat tire bike on there, or any of your, you know, slimmer tires, all the way up to 100 pounds, everybody. So some of your bigger bikes, you can take the weight off of them and throw them on here, and you don't have to worry about it, because it can handle this. It can take this amount of weight on the back of the trailer. Here you can see, just like, it handles the bumps no problem. Look at this. These are the bumpy, I mean, these are ruts on this little road right here. It's just as stable. That's a huge dip right there, and it just, no problem. No problem. There's a bump. I just hit some bumps with it so you can see how it don't move. Get you a good shot. You see, it's not wiggling, it's not moving. It sits right there, ready to go, babe. Here's a shot from the top so you can see. Yeah, I put it to it.
In the woods, I have brought us out here in the woods just to show you this is not like a regular road. This is a log road, and just to show you the stability that this thing has. It is stable.
You can see here we're making the transition from the dirt road, the bumpy dirt road, getting onto the pavement. No problem. We're gonna take it up to speed. Go up the road. Just a little bit of speed. This is just a little quick stability test before I get ready to take it out on the highway. So what we're gonna do right now, we take it up the road a little bit. Hit some braking. That's why I got this little shot. This is like a real good shot to show you everything. Like, and you can see this is a stable. You can tell them put this up, this trailer up against anyone else. This is probably the trailer you come back to and want to use and keep in your house right here. Because this is a great trailer. Look at that stability. I'm loving this. I feel
all right, everybody, this is us out here on the highway. We are at speed. If you can see back there, the bike is stable. I am currently rolling about 60 miles an hour on the highway. I love to look out that back window and see my bike not wiggling all over the place. So I'm really loving this new trailer. Let's get to the park and get ready to take it off and see how much easier it is to deal with this one than have to struggle with that old one. Aha. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. We out here in the country. On the country roads, y'all know these country roads are just bumpy. But I'm gonna show you why I love this. Look back there. You see that? See how stable it is? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I love about that. Oh, I love it. Just to show we on the real country roads now. Okay, everybody, the Young electric trailer. Here we are. This is the one bike rack ramp. Load capacity is 100 pounds. So guess what, fellas? We no longer have to take our batteries off when we haul them. We can leave the batteries on the bike and haul them. This bike is 79 pounds with the battery on it. So this trailer is capable of hauling the average e-bike with the battery on it. And as you see, I love that bolt right there. That makes it real complicated for anybody that thinks they're just gonna pop your lock off and steal it. That's way better than that little pop lock. You have to screw that in, and once it's screwed in there and you tighten it, it secures this trailer and it doesn't move around on you. So that's the one thing I am loving about this trailer.
that's different than the other little flimsy trailer we have. As you know, we have a double trailer, but it's way more flimsy than this. If you want a good trailer, everyone, take it from your country boy right here. I brought this one out, I tested it, I put it on the bumpiest roads around. I didn't go on the regular highway. I took it out and put it on bumpy country roads. As you see, I got footage of all sides, and this trailer has held up and did not let me down. It didn't make me nervous about my expensive bike back there shaking around. I hope you look into getting you one of this. Again, this is Young Electric. You want to get you one of these, folks. This is a nice trailer. It's one that takes the worry out of your mind when you're doing long trips and long travel. All right, everyone, and this is what it looks like. This is the profile of it with no bike on it. That is what she looks like with no bike sitting on the rack. Got a very low profile. The bar that helps, the stabilizer bar right here that you can fold up and clip on to the neck on your seat post. That helps secure your bike. And I love the way these straps clamp in, because you can tighten them in, and man, they don't move. Once you get everything locked in place and tightened down, ain't no movement now. I love it. I love it. That's the profile. So it ain't just sitting all out there like, you know, some of them stick way too far out and cars can come by and you worry about them hitting. Not with the Young Electric bike rack. It is what you need. 100-pound capacity, everybody. Young Electric, everyone. The fun has just begun. This is the Easy Fold one bike rack with ramp. Get you one of these. They're $250. This one has the folding bar on it, so you can secure your bike. As you see, the clamps, I love these clamps on them, because you can completely tighten down on the neck and keep your bike secure. Oh man, these are way better than what I got now. I got those little old Velcro straps. Now it does come with some Velcro straps if you want to put them on there also to help secure your bike even further. But so far I showed you this. I've taken it out and showed you. I just used these right here, these three, and my bike didn't shake. I got plenty of good footage showing you how this thing performs. Make sure y'all check this out and get you one of these. Young Electric, everybody. Young Electric bike trailer. Get you one. Thanks for stopping by, Country Boy. Test it.